Today I'm in the hillside town of Campagna, and I'm off to meet interior designer and co-founder of the Pinelli Group, Dawn Doory, who's going to give me a little sneak peek behind the scenes of the latest property in development. So here we are in Palazzo Maratea in the one-bedroom apartment. Can you tell us a little bit about this and what stage in the development you're at?
Yes, well, this one is, quite a way along in the journey now. As you can see, we've done all the floor tiles. We've done first fix electrics, but not second fix. But I can take you around and show you each area and how we are going to complete this apartment.
Fabulous. Let's go.
So it's hard to imagine at the moment, but the real sense of wow is when you walk into this owner's suite. There will be a slipper bath here. We're going to do something very similar to what we've done at Casa Tremonto. A real sense of wow with a beautiful mirror behind it and a chandelier. And it really creates that luxury feeling of a penthouse suite that you would expect.
From the Pinelli Group.
Absolutely. And then this end of the bedroom will be bed and wardrobes and dressing table, done in, again, that sort of palazzo-esque style, but it's going to feel pretty grand in this space. Okay, we can't get down there at the moment because there's a very rickety ladder, but downstairs will be the shower and toilet facilities, and that actually is also a very nice space. I'm not going to tell you too much more, but it's quite quirky. Okay. And then we come through here. This is the kitchen area. The kitchen's in the process of being made now. That is in the same style as the other Palazzo Maratea apartments. And there's a dining area here in this space with the lovely bright windows looking at the mountains again.
Beautiful light again. So bright, so bright.
Okay, and then from the dining area we lead through on into the lounge, which will be a lovely place to come and sit and relax when you come back from your hiking or from a night at the restaurant. You've got a lovely space to sit and relax.
So there's so much on your doorstep here.
There is. You can walk to everything. It's a wonderful place to be.
Well, thank you for showing me around the one bed. Here we are in the next floor, 2-bedroom finished apartment, which is, I just love this. I love the fabrics, the furnishings, everything you've done with it. It's really, really beautiful. Just wanted to talk a little bit about location.
Mm-hmm.
Although we're in the historic centre, it's very close, isn't it, to the piazza?
Oh, I mean, everything is just walking distance. There's the little road down here beside us. 2 minutes and you're in the square. You've got cafes, bars, restaurants. I mean, there are numerous places you can go.
The restaurants are amazing around here. The food is spectacular. So we definitely need to do that walking.
Absolutely. You need to do a bit of both because you're going to enjoy your food here. The restaurants are very reasonable as well because we're in a completely authentic market town and full of Italians. I don't think there's any tourists here at all. So your food prices are really reasonable and you're going to eat a lot, so you need to be walking everything off.
And with the walking being on the edge of the countryside, there's a lot to do, isn't there, and see nearby?
Absolutely. I mean, there's mountain trails. There's also just behind us here a little walkway that goes beside the river to the waterfalls, which is absolutely beautiful. All the locals use that in the summertime as their swimming pool. It's really stunning.
The river here in this town is actually quite spectacular, isn't it? And it's something that this town is very famous for.
Yeah.
With regards to the one bed on the floor below us, so the access, it's very easily accessible, isn't it, from the road outs?
Sure. I mean, you're just up one flight of stairs and into your apartment. These ones require slightly fitter people, second floor and third floor, but the bedroom, the one-bedroom department is very easy access.
And parking, if somebody hired a car and they wanted to drive, is it easy to park around here?
Yes, there's plenty of parking in the streets, but if for some reason you can't find parking, if there's a wedding at the cathedral or one of the local churches, then we have a massive multi-storey, a few minutes walk away.
So everything really is on the doorstep. Well, I'd like to say thank you very much for taking the time to show me around today. It's been absolutely delightful. Thank you.